Hi, so this is a ZenDesk Admin Center to Salesforce integration. I'm logged into ZenDesk here. You can see all the tiles, gather, talk, explore, sell, right? The ZenDesk Admin Center. This is from my demo ZenDesk instance. I'm clicking back and forth, and the thing is ZenDesk doesn't have an official Salesforce integration in the Salesforce App Exchange. You link it from ZenDesk itself and download it into your Salesforce by letting ZenDesk connect this integration, and you agree to this. See, this is a ZenDesk integration. Then you click, you integrate, and it's a managed package. What's the difference? A managed package has no visibility into it, and you can't change it, right? ZenDesk controls that package inside our Salesforce. Log into Salesforce to allow for permission. It's always good to spell your name correctly, at least your user log on. Now, are we going to do it for everybody? For whoever, we can install it for all users or specific profiles like customer service agent or vice president or whatever. I just did for admins. And notice it's not authorized for distribution as part of Salesforce's App Exchange Partner Program. There's going to be a couple of these from ZenDesk that I had to load into Salesforce. Here are the components: Salesforce integration, Salesforce ticket view, a ZenDesk view account, ZenDesk, right? So they're adding fields into Salesforce by object, account, contact, case. And that's pretty much it. And that's the integrating Salesforce for ZenDesk, but you have to do it from ZenDesk. It's not visible from Salesforce. You can now see ZenDesk in Salesforce, but that's the next video.